How to get and increase TikTok followers. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll guide you how you can get TikTok followers. Now, the first and foremost thing is your video quality. Now make sure to upload video with great quality. Now to do so, what you can do is you can record it from your device and then you can edit it on your device and then you can later upload it on TikTok. Once you record and edit on your device so that it doesn't decrease your video quality, what you can do is open up TikTok. You'll get an interface like this. Tap on plus icon here at the bottom of the screen and then tap on the upload option and you can upload it from your videos from your gallery. So this is the way you can upload quality content and upload a video with greater quality. The more the greater quality, the more views and likes you'll get on your video, and the more the views, the more the followers on your TikTok. Now what you can do is make videos on trending songs. If you tap on plus icon here, what you want to do is tap on add sound option at the top of your screen here, and then here you'll be able to see for you sounds here at the top. However, what you want to do is head back to home and head into search here and search in for popular songs here. You can search in for popular songs, or what you can do is, as you know, as on your For You page you'll be getting more popular and trending songs. You can use trending songs, and what you want to do is use hashtags while posting a video. Now I have a draft here. I'll just tap on it here. Now what you want to do is, while you're posting a video here, you can add hashtags. You can add hashtags that are more popular, and you should use trending hashtags so that you'll get more views. These are the ways you can increase followers. And the other followers, or the other way, is to go live, and you can go live by simply tapping on live option there. Open TikTok app, head into plus, and at the bottom of the screen scroll all the way to right to live, and you can go live. So these are the ways you can get followers on TikTok. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.